Alright, you guys, so welcome back to the cozy era. As you can see by my thumbnail, we will be making this crochet puff handbag or shoulder bag, whichever one that you prefer. You can adjust your scrap size, so if you want to go longer, you can. So these are the materials that we need. We need 3 different colors, or whatever colors that you want. I got these 2 ring things from Michaels, and you will need a stitch marker as well as a 6mm hook. But since this yarn is hard to see while doing the stitches, so I'm going to just move it and just get a 4mm yarn. I mean, wait for yarn. So just be mindful that you will be working with chunky yarn. This is just a visual because it is hard to see. So all you're gonna do is just make you a chain, a slip knot, then make you a chain of like 25. That's what I did for all of my bags, the light pink one, the hot pink, and the white. So, and it did give me about like 9 inches wide. So just make a chain of 25. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So after you make your first chain of 25, you can work with single crochets or have double crochets. What I did for my bags, I did do single crochets, but for my next bag I will be doing a half double crochet. So we are going to skip that stitch right here, and then in the next stitch, the second stitch from the hook, we are going to place a single crochet in that stitch. And then this is our first one, and we just going to mark that with our stitch marker. And we are going to place 1 single crochet all the way down, and I will meet you guys back when we get to our last stitch at the end.
A few moments later.
Alright, you guys, I am back, and I am putting my last single crochet in the last stitch. And now you should have 24 single crochets all the way down, because we did start with 25 chains. We did skip the first one, and then that led us to 24 chains. So in the same last stitch, add 2 more single crochets in that same stitch. So in total you should have 3 single crochets in all, just like this. So you got 24 on this side, then we add 1. That's like our turning chain. This the way I count it. But then we add the next one. That's gonna start the count for the side, cause we should be going up this side. So you got 3. That's the 24. Then you got that extra chain, and then the 1 chain. That's number 1. So in that next stitch right here, in the next stitch, place a single crochet, and that's number 2. And then in the next stitch, that's number 3. And then you're going to be placing a single crochet in each of the you see that space right here. You're going to be placing a single crochet until we get to the bedtime stitch marker. So you got 24 on this side, then we got an extra chain, then we started our another stitch right here. So that's 1, 2, 3. And you should have 24. Count 24 when we get back here. So 3, 4, 5, 6. Try to go underneath 2 of them loops. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and our last one right here, 24. So you should have 24 on both sides. And when you're working with chunky yarn, it's not gonna be this much spaced out, so you're gonna be good. And then when you got your 24, all you're gonna do is just slip stitch into that first single crochet, just like that. And then chain 1, and then that stitch right here where we just took our stitch mark out, make that your first single crochet and mark it. And then it's going to be the same thing. So this is round 2. Just place 1 single crochet in each stitch. Make sure you are counting so you won't be off track when you so like you won't like be too big or it'll be like decreasing and stuff like that. So make sure you are keeping up with your stitches. And this is going to be the pattern for the rest of the bag. Like I did before I started switching my colors out, I did like 10 rounds of the first color, which is this color. I did 10 rounds. So it's like this is a really simple and easy pattern. Like I promise you, the only thing that I say is difficult is that the chunky yarn. But like if this is something that you really want to make, then shit, you go find a way to goddamn get through that chunky yarn for real. So make sure y'all remember that you're supposed to have 24 on one side, and then that extra stitch, and then the next stitch, which is going to be 20, counting the first one all the way to 24 on the other side. So that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna really continue this. I just wanted to show y'all how to start it up. Then once you time to once you want to switch your color, all you gotta do, I'ma finish. I'ma be back and show y'all the when I get to the stitch marker. So let me finish this up so I can be able to show y'all, because I'm not gonna continue to do this since I'm not working with the chunky yarn, and I already made 3 bags already. Like this is a really simple, easy pattern, like for real. But if y'all don't mind wanting to see how to do it with chunky yarn, like it ain't really hard or nothing like that. It's just like I don't wanna. It's difficult to do it on camera, cause I don't want y'all to be like, I don't understand this. Well, that ain't my motherfucking problem. That ain't my motherfucking problem. Shit. Alright, let me count this shit. Hold on. 2. Okay. So, in order to do the color change, I'm just gonna hit. You can like start right here and do it, but I'm not, cause it's like different ways to do it. So all you gotta do is just get your other color, bring it to the back like this, and then just chain over. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, when y'all like starting y'all next round, chain 1 and then continue, and then the next stitch, make sure you bring that tail with y'all. Just like that. And then that's it. Make sure y'all mark y'all first stitch. Like, that's it. Make sure y'all mark y'all first stitch. Don't do that. But you know what I'm saying. So that's all I'm gonna show y'all. Like, I mean, it's really a quick, easy tutorial. Like, this how I look with the chunky yarn. This how I look with the chunky yarn. Just like make your knot. Oh, you gotta be careful with chunky yarn, because like when I tried to take this down, it tore. These are chains. I don't even know if y'all can be able to see that. Like, it just look. That's why you want to do it on camera. That's why I had to do like the weight for yarn, because chunky yarn is very difficult. Like, you gotta like find it and stuff, just like that. But like, yeah. And these are the bags. When you finish, all you want to do is just flip it inside out, because this is what we worked with. This is on the outside of this, so this is what we worked with. And then when you get to the end, just chain 1, cut your yarn, and weave in your tails. Now for the scraps, get your rings, and then all you want to do, let me see, all you're going to do is just make you a, let me see, make you a slip knot, and then get your ring, put it through just like this. Make sure that the yarn is over, and then just make you a slip stitch right here, just like this, and then make your chains 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I did a total of like 40 chains for my shoulder bag. I did a total of 40 chains. So it just depends on how long you want your scraps to be. It's all up to you, girl. It's all up to you. And then so that's how you connect that one. So when you want to connect the other one, you just get that one and just do the same thing. Once you got your chain length, just go in, pull it up, and then make you a slip knot. And then it looks a little wonky right now, but all you want to do is just skip that first chain that's on that hook, go in the next one, make sure you are going through the ring, and just pull up that loop, and there you go, it's attached. And then you don't got to go through the ring no more, because it's already attached. Just continue your single crochet or half double crochets, and you're gonna be good to go. Like, I went into depth, but I didn't go into depth, if that makes sense. So if you have any questions, then just comment below, or if you want to see me use the chunky yarn, then I can do that. I just didn't want to make it difficult because we do have some people out here that's wanted to do like beginner tutorials and stuff like that. So, and we got some people out here that don't understand chucking yarn and all that. And then when you finish, just go back. When you finish your last stitch, just go in the ring. I ran out of yarn, so just go in the ring and then just get that stitch right there, and then you'll be good. Like, you'll be good. But that's all I got for y'all today. So like I said before, if y'all want to see the chunky yarn tutorial, then yes, I can be able to do that. I just wanted to give y'all a visual because chunky yarn is hard to see because it's so fucking chunky. However, like, add some charms on it when you finish this. Add some charms. Like, this is the first one I did and I love it. Like, it's so freaking soft. Like, it's so soft and it's cute. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Like, this the inside, it's really deep. And then, like, if you want to sew some buttons on it, then you can. That's what I'm gonna do. If you want to add like some fabric inside, then you can. Like, I just gotta find some pretty fabric that can go with this as well. And the bags, they made about a good amount. Oops, they made about a good amount, and they deep. Like, look at that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I am out. Bye.